Ever notice how digital marketing is dead, but AI jobs suddenly pay $95,000 to $140,000? There's a $2.8 trillion industry banking on you staying confused. Here's the uncomfortable truth. When IBM warns that AI will replace 40% of jobs, they're also selling you AI certification courses. LinkedIn's AI specialist postings, 87%, are really digital marketing roles, just with new AI-powered tools. A study of 12,000 Western job ads revealed most AI expert requirements are simply modern digital marketing skills with a smarter toolkit. But here's what changes everything. Meet Michael, 49, from Chicago. His Fortune 500 company announced they needed AI transformation specialists. He panicked, thinking his 16 years in digital marketing were obsolete. But when he looked closer, the job was about optimizing email campaigns with predictive analytics, creating personalized content at scale, and analyzing customer journey data. Michael already had the foundation. He just needed to connect the dots with AI-powered tools. So, why do you keep hearing you're behind? The European Digital Skills Survey found 76% of professionals over 40 already use AI tools daily, often without realizing it. Predictive text, smart scheduling, Google search, AI is already part of your workflow. You're not starting from zero. In the next video, I'll show you the exact 90-day integration method that helped Michael become his company's AI marketing strategist and earn a 22% salary increase.